No, just joking. Ako lang. So this summer, pasensya lang, this summer was grabe ka busy. So that's why wala mi nakapost, and then kami ni Toria wala kami nakakita. So I wanted to make a little video just to say hi and that we're still alive. So naghimo ko og adobo. First time ni. I don't know how. Nagdako ko sa Cebu and never ko naka-make og adobo before. So many times nag-craving ko og like Filipino food, but abi nako nili ko maka-get sa ingredients. But the other day nang-scroll ko like Pinterest and nakakita ko og recipe for adobo. So nag-ato ko sa store and then naka-find ko sa ingredients. So yeah, naghimo ko adobo. So I decided to do a video for you guys. You love me. I joke. If maghimo mo ang adobo and magbuhat mo something different, sorry. This one was just a recipe na nagkuha na ako from Pinterest. I think it's something pa ba sa Filipino, Pinoy something. I don't know. Anyways, mag-leave ko sa link below. And if namoy better adobo recipe, leave it in the comments because ganahan jud ko maghimo ani usab. It was very, okay, I'm not going to spoil it. On to how I made my adobo. Ready to start the marinade. I really hope na tinuod yun ni na kanang adobo recipe because wow, I keep thinking about adobo last night before nagtulog ko. It's like, murag lami kayo ning adobo da. So, hopefully, tinuod yun ni na recipe kay, okay. Ganahan dyan ko adobo na true. Okay. So first, nagkuha ko dako na mall and gi-combine na ko ang chicken, the garlic, and soy sauce. So 8 tablespoons of soy sauce, 5 cloves of garlic, and 2 pounds of chicken. Raglami kayo ni no? That's yummy. Then gibutang na ko ang marinade sa fridge and I waited until nagnap na ako baby. That's when nagluto ko. Okay, so magsugod na ko sa pagluto sa adobo. The chicken nag-marinate for a while, so wish me luck. Nag-start ko sa oil, get it hot in a pan. And then, nag-cook ko sa chicken, 2 minutes each side. Gi-add na ko ang marinade. And someone tell me nga naman kinahanglan ko mag-fry ani first before mag-boil or something like that. Like, is it to keep the moisture in or flavor? Wadyo ko ka-get over how amazing it smelled. As in, grabe jud, the adobo smells so good. Like, murag, I mean, it's not adobo. It's kanang kuan. It's the marinade, but still, grabe kalami. As in, it smells amazing. It smells so good. So good. So good though. And 1.5 cups of water. Don't know if daghan jud ni na water and gamay ni na water ambot. But nag-add ko 1.5 cups of water. I brought it to a boil. And then nag-add ko sa mga bay leaves and then pepper. Wala ko naka-find sa kanang circle lingin na pepper. So nagkuan lang ko, nag-shake lang ko pepper. Next time kinang ko ma-find. I think it's called kanang peppercorn pepper. Anyways, wala ko ka-find na. So, shaker na lang. 30 minutes later. Okay, guys. Gutom kay ko ani. As in, when nagtanong sa recipe, medyo easy. So, niyan ako, sige, once magtulog na akong bata, magluto na ko. Pero this one, wow! So, magsugod ka ani and then mag-start ko sa rice. Kaya wow, grabe yung kagutom na ko. It's already 1 p.m. So anyways, magsugod na ko kay gutom na ko. Nag-wait ko, abi na ako, paspas. So pagtanaw na ako sa recipe, ayay, as in 30 minutes and then 10 more minutes. Like, gutom na ko eh. Perfect. Nag-add ko vinegar, nag-stir, 4 tablespoons of vinegar. I think unta more lacking something adto. But 4 tablespoons of vinegar, cook for 10 more minutes. Habit na, just a few more things na mag-add ko, stir for 10 minutes, and then makakaon na ko. Yay! And then, at the end, add ko og sugar. Alas 2 na, so kaon na ta. Let's see. Wow.
Amazing!
Sobra. So, kana lang, super easy and amazing. Super lami. So, if na mo'y tips or something, ana, or something I could do better, leave it in the comments below para makabasa ko. And next time, i-add na ko or whatever. I gave you all the measurements, okay? Para kita ta sunod in the next video. Bye! Pogi! Mata na siya. Matay na ko. Hi, baby. Hi.